Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. And in today's video I will be making simple and delicious sweet potato quiche, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe with some few ingredients. You can also have this for your breakfast and lunch. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So in the blender I'll add 5 eggs, 1 cup of thickened cream, blended ginger, garlic and onion paste, half a tablespoon of oregano leaves, half a tablespoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese, half a cup of coriander leaves, and mix well. Next, I'll grease casserole dish with some butter. Next, I'll spread half a cup of grated sweet potatoes that I grated and squeeze excess water out until it's dry. Next, I'll add red capsicum, sliced sausages, bacons, spring onions, zucchinis, carrots, and now I'll spread the mixture onto it. Next, I'll spread some mozzarella cheese and I'll proceed with the same method until it's all done. And if you are enjoying this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And to my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for your support, for always coming back to watch my videos. So I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees and I'll be baking it for about 25 minutes. And as you can see, it's looking good and ready to be baked. And at this point, our sweet potato quiche is all done, looking so beautiful and smelling good. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try. It's very simple, tasty and healthy that you can have it for lunch, breakfast. And also please don't forget to check out my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.